Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me is Apple HomePod 2 and I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our app and hold our finger on our device. Now we have to click Accessory Settings and scroll all the way down. Now, as you can see, Reset HomePod, we have to click on it and click Remove Accessory. Now we have to confirm and now we have to reset our app. Now we have to wait a moment. Now we have to click on these three dots and click Home Settings. Now we have to scroll all the way down and click Remove Home. Remove. Now we have to close our app and unplug our power cable from our speaker. Now we have to wait 10 seconds until we reinsert our cable. Now we have to insert it back. And wait a moment. As you can see, our white light is over there, so we have to hold our finger on this light a long time. As you can see, our light is now red, so we have to push our speaker long time. That's it. Like and subscribe for more videos and hope it helps you. Goodbye.